Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be just a mishmash of different things. We're going to clean a little bit, we're going to DIY, and we're going to decorate. And I want you all to do all of that with me. I have had a lot going on lately, and at the end of the video, if you'll stick around, you'll see some of it going on as I'll show you a sneak peek of what's to come. But for now, I hope you guys remember the shutters that I purchased at a thrifting um, uh, outing that we did a while back. And I wanted to show you how we upcycled them and where they ended up. So if you're a newbie, we want to say welcome. And if you are one of my lifestylers, you know how I feel about you. I'm so glad you're back and you're here with me. So we're going to go on into this and show you what we did with the shutters so that you'll know that I am using a lot of these things in my own home. So come on in. Okay, so I couldn't spray paint because of my asthma. So Hubs is doing that for me. Say hello to the family, hubby.
Peace.
I said say hello.
Oh, hello.
So he's spray painting the shutters. And we live in a townhouse, so we have to improvise to make things work. So we hang them on this little tree here. Anything that we're painting that we can hang, and we work it out. That's what I normally do. But like I said, it's hot, and that spray paint he thought I should not be inhaling. So thank you, baby.
Hey.
But this is part one of those shutters that I hauled in my last, well, one of my last videos. I'll leave the link below if you want to see what they looked like before. It wasn't much different. They were an off-white, but you know, they were dirty and needed cleaning up, and so that's what we're doing. So here, friends, we have already painted the shutters. You can see one leaning against the wall there behind me. And what I'm doing here is I'm putting together a wreath that I want to hang on them before I put them on the wall. And it's just a wreath that I have also hauled, and I think I've shared it with you. If not, I will be sharing it with you soon. But I think I've already shared this with you. I'm so far behind. I have so many bags set aside to share with you guys. So we may be backtracking a little bit with the hauls. But there you see it hanging on the wall with the wreath on it, and this is what we're doing with the shutters. Now I am going to have this top portion of the wall repainted sometime soon because I want it to be more collaborative with the one below. I had the one below painted because the one above, when I was in the Tuscan style, um, was actually done with Venetian plaster, and I didn't want to paint over it, but I'm going to have to. But at any rate, that'll come sometime soon. The shutters are up. So now we're going into the cleaning portion of this video. And I'm redoing my dining room, my living room, and my kitchen. And unfortunately, it's all happening at once, and that's why I'm so discombobulated. But I'm trying to get the dining room complete right now. So um, I'm cleaning this and getting rid of summer decor, and I'm putting more of a neutral decor in. Not going quite into fall yet, just sort of neutral. You guys know that between Christmas and um, after the new year, I go into this neutral mode, and I just love it. Well, I'm kind of there with the summer stuff right now, and I just want to be a little neutral before I go into all of the new fall decor. So what you're watching now is me just cleaning things in the dining room and trying not to show you everything because I want to do a full reveal when it's over. I just wanted to let you know that we were still here. We are still working on things in the house. It's just that I have not been feeling well, and we're having to film in the evenings because you guys know I have a full-time job and the lighting in my home is not the best. So let me apologize in advance for the lighting that you're going to see on some of these, but do know that I did buy some new daylight bulbs for the dining room area, and and they worked okay, except they're not good with my timer, and that kind of scared my dimmer. I'm sorry, dimmer switch, and I'm a little afraid of that because they kind of jump around when I'm trying to dim them. So before I add that to the living room as well, I want to make sure that they're safe to have. Maybe I need to go down to a smaller wattage, but my goodness, I love the difference in the lighting. So I'm cleaning here, and you can watch me do that for a little while, and then we'll jump to something else. And again, guys, please just hang in there with me with the lighting. I am going to invest in the proper light box, but I just haven't done it yet. But I'm trying to show you what we're working on in the household. You'll see in a bit. It's quite something. Hang around. So, guys, while you're watching me do what I do, I just wanted to remind you, if you're new here and you're interested in DIYing, cleaning, organizing, decorating, and cooking your way to a cozy, comfortable, and organized lifestyle, then you are in the right place because that's what I do here. So hit that subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming videos in the future. And also, I want you to remember that this is a lifestyle channel, so we do all sorts of things. We decorate. Sometimes we may even get into fashion. I've lost a few pounds. I'm working on that. Maybe I'll take you on that journey with me as well. Um, and we cook over here. We decorate. We upcycle. So this is the place to be for all different types of things. So um, comment, like, and share the video. Share it with your friends. So maybe if it's not something that you like, it may be something that they do. So I'm going to get back to cleaning here and have some fun because this is fun for me when I'm feeling good. So, friends, I think I'm going to stop this video here. I don't want to reveal too much because I do want to reveal when everything is complete. I just wanted to give you a little insight into as to what's going on around here. So, what do you think? I think we're moving in the right direction. Of course, the yellow curtains will come down and all, but it's a work in progress, and I think it's going to be nice when it's done. So, I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me. I so enjoy your company. I really, really do. And if you enjoyed this content, remember to give me a thumbs up, like, and share this video. It really does help my channel, and it is greatly appreciated. If you're a new subby, I want to say welcome, welcome, welcome once again. We're so glad you're here. And you should know that I upload videos at least once a week, sometimes twice when it's a really good week. And I'm hoping that my content is inspirational for you. So hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so that you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. If you're one of my cozy lifestylers, you already know. Girl, you know. I love you, I love you, I love you, and I so appreciate your support. So, with that said, as always, guys, I am going to leave you with hugs and blessings. And I want to remind you to find and remain in your own personal elements. And I don't know who or what you believe in, but whatever that may be, please send up some good thoughts and some positive prayers for the people that have lost loved ones this week. It could have been us, but it wasn't by the grace of God. So we're going to just leave that there. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.